Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic scanner. In this week, I would like to mention what has happened this week. During this week, we had started, we can see that inside the Gold membership Telegram group, I have shared with the traders what is happening and also how the price has behaved on these patterns that has been already discussed and also analyzed. We can see that this one has been closed as a successful one by hitting target 2. Then we have a new one that has been already formed, and I have also made a technical analysis. So we can see there are some questions from our traders inside the Telegram channel, how the price and also how the analysis has been done. After that, we can see there are no changes, and then we have new bearish bad pattern detected by the scanner, and we can see that was euro against GBP. After that, we can see how the price has behaved. We can see there is also some kind of question from our traders where I have discussed Australian dollar against Canadian dollar or dollar on the 4-hour time frame, and let's see how this has been behaved. We can see that for now the take profit 1 was hit. We can see that here. The take profit 1 was hit, so that's great. So always when the take profit 1 has been hit, the stop loss, which is a red line, usually I move below the entry level, because if the price goes against me, I will get out from this trade with a small profit, instead waiting for the price to hit my stop loss and make this small trade, which was a profitable, to make it as a negative. So this is something what has happened. We can see that I have answered to the question and also moving the entry level, stop loss below the entry level. And then we can see, okay, let's see, here it is. There are no bad patterns, and we can see that this one, just a minute, here it is. Let's open it. This was Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has reached the first take profit. Then I have moved the stop loss below the entry level, and then the price returned back above the entry level and reached stop loss. But because I have moved the stop loss below the entry level, this trade, even though it is a small profit, the trade has closed as a successful with a small profit. So for now, waiting outside of the market, waiting for the next bearish bad pattern that is good to trade. Now we have Euro GBP on the daily time frame. Let's see how this is behaving. Euro GBP, just a minute, I need to find it. Oh, sorry, not 4-hour time frame, it should be daily. Here it is. Now we can see how this looks. The price has reached the entry level, but the price could not make a bearish breakout below the first support level. Let's see. We can see that here the price has dropped down to the first support level, could not make a bearish breakout below support level. So we can see how the price is behaving. The price returned back above, reaching again the entry level potential reversal zone. So we'll see how the price will behave on a Monday. Let's check the analysis, just a minute. We can see that I have moved a stop loss just above. It will be around 0.85. So 0.85, this will be around this area here. So I have moved my stop loss just in case if the price goes above the entry level, it doesn't activate immediate stop loss, because I have adapted to this bad pattern entry level with the stop loss and take profit based on the technical analysis. And we can see based on the technical analysis, I have some of the levels that where the price should not reach. If the price goes above this area of resistance, this bearish bad pattern will be invalidated. So this is something that I'm currently watching. This week has been profitable, even though it is a small profit. We can see that some of the trades at the start of the week has closed as a target 2, reaching the take profit 2. So this is a great one. So just a minute, let's check this one. Which one's that? USD CNH. Okay, let's check this one. USD CNH on the 4-hour time frame. USD CNH on the 4-hour time frame. This should be this one. Just a minute, is that the one? Entry level. The second one will be around 7.35. 7.35. Okay, so we can see that we have another one. I will make the screenshot immediately and share with the traders. Let's go in the reply. Here we have another successful trade closed, hitting take profit 2, which is great. So we have two bearish bad pattern this week that has been closed with the profit, and we can see that the risk to reward is around, and it is mostly above 30.00, which is great. So for now, what I can see that we have two bad patterns that has been closed with the take profit 2, one that has been closed with the take profit small one, which we have moved the stop loss just below the entry level. So we have 3 profits, none of them were bad trades, failed one reaching the stop loss. We are currently waiting how the price will behave on the last one that we have opened, and that means just a minute, where it is, this one, no, it's not that one, not that one, Euro GBP. So we are currently waiting only this one, which is the 4th bad pattern. Analyze, will the price reach the stop loss, or it will bounce and go to take profit 1 and take profit 2. So this is something that I will share with the traders inside the gold membership. Feel free to join to the gold members and join the Telegram. You will get a link for the Telegram immediately when you join the gold membership, so you can also join here and discuss together. What can we see here today for the Harmonic Step Scanner? So we can see how the Harmonic Step Scanner works. You receive a notification here inside notification tab. You can also receive that on your mobile phone. You get a link, for example, with this Australian dollar. You click on the link and immediately the chart is open for you, so you can also make the analysis. If the bad pattern is in line with your analysis, you can jump in and also the trade. If it is not, simply skip this one and wait for another one. This is the way how I'm trading and also what I'm currently doing. So the Harmonic Step Scanner is a great tool, sending you notification when there is a trading opportunity. It is up to you to decide, is that opportunity to trade or to wait another one. So inside notification, you have all the patterns that has been detected by the filters you have set. Here inside the settings, you set the time frame. I'm using only 4-hour time frame of the daily. You set which pattern do you want to track. I am using only the bad, because if you focus only on 1 or 2, then it will be much easier to follow. But if you have spread your time on all of these, it will be a little bit harder. So I always propose to the traders, select one or 2 time frame and only analyze them. If you find successful one, like I have bad pattern, always follow that and increase your profitability. Then you have watch lists where you can select which symbols you would like to track. You have a major, you have a minor, but if you would like to add some of them, for example the crypto or indices, you can simply go here, and when you have here the empty field, type here and tap here which symbol do you want. There is no stocks. That's a little bit sad, but we have a crypto and we have a forex, indices, metals, which is pretty enough to trade. Then after that, you have a monitor where you can also make some kind of analysis about the statistics. You can also make the settings, filters here, which one you would like to track. You have a time frame select, which asset classes, which pattern. Then you have a security, which means in more details which symbols you would like to track. You can see here the green ones are the selected ones. These ones that are not selected, I'm not showing them here. So when you make these filters, our Harmonic Step Scanner will populate all this table with the data for the symbol, for the pattern, time frame, status, when it has been detected, and the risk to reward ratio. Here inside the status, you have a failed one, which means the price has reached stop loss level. So this is USD against Japanese yen. Bullish, which is a green arrow, bullish bad pattern has been failed because the price has reached a first stop loss. Then we have a complete, which means it is ready for trading. The price did not reach a stop loss and did not reach to take profit 2. And we have a successful one, which means the price has reached first take profit 2. When the price has formed on this bearish bad pattern from the potential reversal zone from the entry level, the price has gone first to do take profit 2. Not touching the stop loss. So this one is successful. So here inside the status, you have a failed, complete, and successful. So you can also make some kind of analysis. If you simply type here euro against USD, type enter, you will have only euro USD selected here. So you can also see how the prices behave on the euro USD on the daily time frame for these bullish or bearish bad patterns. Now, have in mind that it is best to have some kind of analysis additionally to this Harmonic Step Scanner detection. Because if you have your analysis, which will increase the chances of being profitable, that will give you much better results. So you can see how I'm doing, also sharing with the trainers inside the gold membership. Whenever I receive notification, for example this one, I check it, is it in line with the trend? If this bearish bad pattern is in line with the trend, for example this is the downtrend, So I would like to see a bearish bad pattern form here inside the bearish trend. Currently we have outside of this trend, and we can see the price has gone, so the second time outside of this bearish downtrend. I would like to see that is in line with the trend. And then let's see, for example, the one I have analyzed before. Just a minute. Way to take profit. Which one was the Euro GBP? Okay, USD CNH. USD CNH, and let's check this one. USD CNH. Which one is it? New Zealand dollar CHF. Which one? New Zealand dollar CHF. Okay, New Zealand dollar CHF. Let's find it. New Zealand. Here it is, but it should be bearish. Let's check this one. Okay, this is the one that we had here. We can see that it was a bearish trend, and we can see that the bearish bad pattern has been formed inside this trend, and it is suggesting further decline down. So this is the first criteria I'm following. After that, if the bearish bad pattern is in line with the trend, if yes, then it's okay. If not, skip this one. This was okay, and then I have made the technical analysis, which means I have put a stop or this horizontal support and the resistance levels. And if I see that potential reversal zone is at the resistance level, indicating there is potential that the price will retrace back down, first take profit should be right here. Second profit should be here. This is something that I have adapted when I have analyzed this one. And we can see the price has gone in line with the trend, has gone down, reaching the first support level, reaching take profit 2, making a bearish breakout, reaching the second support level I have analyzed here on the chart, and the take profit has been hit. And after that, the price will turn back up. So we can see how I'm making the analysis and adding more confirmations to the Harmonic scanner detection tool. And if it is in line, waiting for the price to reach the take profit. If it reaches, move the stop loss just to be in profit if the price goes against me, and waiting for the take profit too. So you can see this week we had 3 successful, 1 still waiting, none of them were failed one. So that's the way how I'm trading, and also sharing with the traders inside the Harmonic group, which is a gold membership. So feel free to check and join us. That's all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you have any questions regarding the analysis, feel free to join Gold, and inside the Telegram you can ask questions. Like here I have a traders where we are updating and also sharing these analysis. You can see that traders are successfully and also satisfied, which is great. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. You can see that here when there is traders, they have a question. You can see that I also checking what they have found and also making the analysis, sharing with them my thoughts. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.